Hello my lovely ravens, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chantel and today I got this in the mail. It is early February and this is a January box, so speaking of delivery, this was really fast, only 2 weeks or maybe 2.5 weeks from the UK to Australia, Western Australia that is, because all our post to Western Australia comes via the East Coast first and then goes to Perth. So I am really happy that this arrived today. Let's just open it up, shall we? Ooh, very colorful. I can see a little pencil poking out here. The art supplies and all the other stuff. Let's put this aside. January's scroller zine, I can't even talk today, is very colorful and I'm not going to look at it because it has spoilers. The artwork for this thing, a very cheeky looking lizard crocodile picture. The featured artist is Roots and you can find their social media right there. So that is cool. We have a paint on mixed media Liss Smooth A5 paper pad with some nice thick paper that is smooth. Ooh, that's very smooth. And it's 250 GSM and it is good by Clairefontaine. What is it good for? Precise drawing, pencil, charcoal, felt tip, ink, gouache, acrylic. Cool. Let's have a look what's in the actual art supplies. By the way, if you can hear a fan blowing or if something is being blown off my desk, it's 38 degrees Celsius here. It's a bit hot, so I'm gonna leave the fan on so I don't die. The sticker. That is from the cover of the... Oh no, hold on. The cover thing is behind here too. Cool. Like it. The Scroller Challenge is Creature Comforts. And the lolly for this month is Tango Cherry Shockers Sour Fizz 2 bar. I love cherry, so that will be nice. We have a Pikmin 12... We have a Pikmin Micron 12. 12 is thick. Oh yeah, that is a thick boy. We have H pencil by Faber-Castell. There's a nice point on it. And we also have, it looks like, KARIN Pigment Deco Brushes. Or Deco Brushes. And I cannot wait to play with these. I have seen so many videos on these ones and watercolor ones as well. So SCRAWLRBOX, if you ever want to do some green watercolor KARIN markers in the box, I would not be mad. But for now, let's have a play with what's in this box. Okay, I hate wasting paper, so I just took half of the sheets that was in the pad and I'm just gonna swatch everything out, including the pencil. Yep, it's a pencil, all right. What's this? Faber-Castell. I will also swatch these in the booklet. Oh, hello. My camera's not focusing at all. Does not like the white paper. I will also be swatching in the book that I normally swatch in, but I don't have it on hand right now. This is the Micron 12. Very thick, but nice though. I do like this. Nice bold lines for illustrating work. This is the... Does it have a color name? Oh yeah, bright orange. Shake before use. That is already activated. Ooh, that is nice. We get some very thin lines as well. Nice. I love this very much. Layer? Ooh, it does. It does. It does pick up what's underneath though, so maybe it's not completely dry yet. So juicy. Seriously, there's so much ink in these. And I love the brush tips and the brown. Ooh, that's a dark brown. It's really what is in there. It's very true to the caps, so that's nice too. I suppose the brown is a little bit darker than what's on the cap, but I make some nice marks with these. And they don't really give up when you go fast, so that's nice too. I do like what's in this box. Another great one, SCRAWLRBOX. Let's make something, shall we? I have to give it a little bit of a think, but let's make something. I'll be back with you very soon. So I decided to sketch out a phoenix and a little description thing here. I looked up an old font and yeah, there we have a phoenix. So let's color it in. I kind of want to try to do the watercolor approach with this stuff. So that looks nice. Nice color, right? It's gonna give this a light wash because I want that background to have something there. Some of that orange. It's very orange. A little bit of that yellow in there. Gonna let that dry. Alright, now I just want to try and build up the color. So I'm just gonna go in with that yellow first. Lay that down. There we have that, and then orange. And I know it's called Creature Comforts. I suppose the fiery elements is its comfort. So it's kind of in the animal itself, right? In the creature itself. I don't know, I find it a hard prompt, so I just make this. By the way, the pens, if you do this kind of stuff, I find that they go a little bit more dry. They're still gorgeous pens though, don't get me wrong. It's just they need a little bit of shaking in between. And with red, to do the outside, I'm going to fan it in. So I don't get those hard lines. And I can still see my pencil strokes under there, but I don't care about that. It's okay. It's gonna do the same with that orange, going back into the red and into the yellow too. And a little bit of that brown. And that pink brown. get that to dry, and then I will move on to the black marker, the Micron 12.